Hey guys, this is Tom Williams with the Lost Miner YouTube channel, and I tried recording this yesterday, but it was way too much wind. Hopefully I don't have that problem today. I think I've got the camera in an area where the wind's not going to touch, and I don't have a good microphone to try to keep the wind from coming through the audio. Anyway, this is just a weekly update video. I came out, spent all week here working on the A-frame. I'm about to head back to Houston. And then next Saturday, I'll be uploading the video actually showing from where we left off on the last build video. So it'll go through framing the A-frame. So this week I came out here and there were a lot of things that I left unfinished when I went back to Houston last time. For example, at the end of each joist, it's supposed to the carriage bolts are supposed to be doubled up. I only had one, so I had to go back and put a second carriage bolt in all of them. Also, in all of the joist, every 24 inches, you have to put a spacer. So I went ahead and did that. I got the subfloor installed right here. I did a lot of kind of organizing, cleaning up, bringing up our wood. Luckily, there's somebody on the same ranch, but probably 3/4 of a mile to our south, and they're building a metal shelter that you just kind of park an RV under. And talked to the guy that was building it, and he came over and he actually dug me a hole here and a hole at the dome for an outhouse. So that is the option that I'm gonna go with. I just thought I might do an outhouse. It'll be the least expensive option, trouble-free. Won't have to change out anything. Won't have to worry about it. I want to do septic, but who knows how long that might be. It might be a year, 2, 3. I don't know. So I need something that's going to get me by for several years, just in case I don't get to the septic soon, which I'm probably not. So yeah, you can see I started out on framing the front. So I didn't get much of the framing done, but I do I put the base plate and top plate on each end. This one I framed in where the window's going to go, where this door's going to go. Yes, there's lots of sections, vertical sections that I gotta put in there, cripples, and get that all nice and framed in before I start closing up. So that'll be next trip. I'll do that, and I've got a really good start so that when I come back out here, it'll be much more efficient. So I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, so what I'm gonna do now, there may be some wind coming through the audio, but I want to walk around and actually show you guys what we've done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Okay, so you can see the dome over there in the distance. I'll actually zoom in. So the dome's over there. Plenty of privacy. Actually, from here you can't tell what anybody's doing at the dome, and then same here from the dome. You really can't tell what anybody's doing here. You can only see kind of the upper half. Okay, so these right here, see those spacers right there? That's what I was talking about. Every 24 inches I gotta put in. So base plate, top plate, just put where the door and the window go. I'll finish framing that in next time. This is what I was talking about on the carriage bolts. So doubled up. Oh, another thing, I got all the hurricane ties installed. We didn't have all of the hurricane ties installed. So every triangle on each side has that installed. So you can see the roofing. There's still some things I'm going to do on the roof to clean it up. I actually got a new ridge cap. So when they gave us that ridge cap, it wasn't bent to the pitch of the roof. So I got a longer ridge cap that's much wider. It's got 12 inches hanging off on each side. This one only had 6. And then I got a new section of rake trim as well, so I can clean up on the top. Come back. You see, this is a cool ranch that we're located on. They actually have an airstrip down there. The front gate's way down there. Okay, this is where the deck's gonna be. Half of it's gonna be deck with grill, seating area, And then this area right here, I'm actually going to do a kind of a cargo net. I believe actually what I've seen online is loft nets. They look really comfortable, and we're in the largest dark sky reserve in the world. So that'd be a perfect feature for guests just to be able to come out and then lay down and enjoy the stars. All right, I have stairs coming off the back, but let me walk over here. Yeah, still a bit of a mess from construction stuff, but all that will of course be cleaned up. So there's a trail right here. I struggle with the position on the outhouse because of course something like that you don't want too close, because when you're enjoying the outdoors, last thing you want to do is smell, waste. So it's not too far away, but anyway, here's where we hold it. You can see all the dirt. I won't uncover this right here, but yeah, it's a deep hole. It'll last for a long time. And we did the same thing at the dome. The interesting thing of the dome is after he got down towards the bottom, he started coming up with sand, and he was actually shocked. He said, once you get down to sand, actually that's an indicator that you may have water. So who knows? That's actually pretty cool, I guess, to hear. If we decide to have a well dug on the ranch, there is a community well, so I know there is water underneath this land. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, help us expand the audience here. There aren't a whole lot of people that I meet on a day-to-day basis that like doing what I do. So this is a way I could kind of create a community too of like-minded people, where I'm sure I lack tons of experience in things that I do, but I just kind of learn along the way. I'm glad to share my experience. And I know there's a lot more qualified people that'll in areas that'll watch this channel that I can learn from. So I'll go ahead and end it there, and I will see you. I'm gonna go ahead and head out back to Houston. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.